What's up, guys? It's time for vlog number 3, and today you are coming to work with me. Let's go.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. When the sun rises, when the sun
Alrighty, so here we are upstairs in the master bathroom, getting ready to essentially put these toe skins on, which I'm going to show you in just a second. They go on the bottom and they cover up this box that the cabinets are sitting on. There's also a hole for an air conditioning vent, but we're going to just cover that up, put some trim on it so that it looks nice. We're going to put some glue on the back. This is Liquid Nails Standard Construction Adhesive, which is going to help it stick. And then we're also going to nail it on using a 23 gauge pin nailer that's going to hold it on until the glue dries. So it's pretty much just as easy as setting it up there and shooting it on. My dad is the one cutting the pieces. I'm the guy who's crawling around on the floor in the dirt, making this happen. But you know, you gotta start somewhere, so that's where I'm starting. This right here, you can see is mitered at a 45-degree angle, which is going to allow me to put this one down the side and then match it up with this one on the front. They're gonna make a nice little corner, you know, so that it sits there and it looks trimmed up and everything is how it should be. Did I mention that it is really freaking hot up here? There's no air conditioning in here yet, and it's about 100 degrees, at least, out here. And in these bathrooms, it's hot. So we're gonna put on some more glue and continue putting some toe skin on until we get into some other things in just a little bit with some other kitchen details. Enjoy these swirly, squiggly lines as we get this done. Oh, yeah, sometimes this happens. I had that stuck in there and it pinched my finger. Looks like that. And I mean, it still hurts, even right now, sitting here editing this video. So when this is done though, it looks like this, and the vent register is gonna cover that hole. Time for a water break, one of many, of course. And a little bit of water for my wound as well, trying to get that dust out of it. I thought that this shot would be pretty interesting to show you. I am straight up laying on the floor trying to put these in, so my body is very sore. But hey, let's just let you watch me work. So here in this unit, the island is different. The other one didn't really have an island. It's like a U shape. But this island being free floating, I have to glue it down so that people don't accidentally move it, because we've set it based on a specific measurement that they give us on the cabinet drawing. So we want it to be exactly so many inches away from the side wall, exactly so many inches away from the other cabinet, and that way we know that it's all lined up and it's where it goes. So I mean, I'm not doing the best job here, but I mean, once we put that countertop on the top, it's going to be granite. This thing's not really going to go anywhere. We're just trying to give it a little bit of extra stickiness to make sure that it's glued down and how it should be. These guys right here are called dog bones. An adorable name, I know. They're used on the back of the island, and they go in like this to hold these pieces together, but leave the other side flush. So you can reach in there with a wrench and tighten them down to pull the two pieces together. And then when you're finished and you set it up, the other side is flat. Bow! That's how you get one big, giant, beautiful piece for your island. Well, that's it for vlog number 3, y'all. I appreciate you checking in. And I hope that you had a good time going to work with me. I'm looking forward to seeing you in vlog number 4.